Here is a sneak peek to give you the advanced warning for the boards that will be for tomorrow night's Friday Night Live. Well, actually it'll be tonight because it's 1:30 in the morning and I just can't sleep. So here are your $15 pins. If you're watching, as soon as the $15 board comes up, you will know what number to type if there's anything on here that you need. Here we go, close-ups. These are my brand new Shark Tank display boards. I'm absolutely in love with this foam. It's the same foam pages that are in the Shark Tank, and it holds the pins so beautifully, and they look so nice. All right, so that's our $15 board. Here is the $20 board, board A, $20 A. Here are your close-ups. This is the $20 board, board A. The number is below the pin, so you can have it ready. As soon as you hear me announce $20 board A, you can type in your sold 34 and it will be yours, even before it shows up on screen. And then here is the $20 board, board B, $20 board B. And these have a lot of old Hong Kong on them. A fantasy Cheshire Kitty. And check these out. These are old Hong Kong. Who's Taking a Poo? And old Tokyo Disney Sea. I think that's from the year 2001. This is the $20 board B. All right, we'll see you guys during Friday Night Live.